Okay, Kenmore dishwasher. So we have a leak on the front side, and must necessarily, if this is one of the two corners, hope you can see that here. Right here, a tiny leak. One of the two front corners, it's obviously the inside seal. And if you look at the seal, it is nasty enough that it needs to be seriously cleaned or directly replaced. So I bought a replacement. Let's replace that. So here is a replacement. You can see the seal is rolled up. Got out of eBay, about like $8.50. Extremely cheap, and you have a tool as well to help you shove that inside the groove or around the dishwasher. And to do such, just gently pull on the seal as is. See, it's coming apart. That's all you need to do. Then make sure you, using soap and water, you clean very well that groove going all the way around. The tops look pretty clean. The bottom is very nasty, and that's what will create the leak. I'm gonna clean that with dish soap and water, and then press in the new one. So if you see the profile here, those little teeth, those are the ones you're going to insert so they stay stuck in it, in the groove. That lip is going to be what create the joint with the door of the dishwasher. So make sure you put that laying toward the outside. The door is going to press in that way, and make sure you go all the way down, so that you have the proper seal all the way down through the door. You have a tool to press that in. You can easily do that by hand as well. Start from one corner, work your way around, and then trim the end of it. Pressed in, you have a nice seal all the way around. It's nice and clean. Press the door in. It's a little bit resistant, that's a new seal, that's normal, and you will get a nice strong seal and no leaks anymore. Hope this helps. and the tool to push the outside lip of the last one, because you have 3 of them. You can press that in that manner. Kind of help tuck that in a little bit better. Here we go.